Hello friends, myself Meet Jetwa and welcome to Learn, Apply, Build. In this tutorial, we are going to observe a very important and a very interesting library in computer vision, which is called as MediaPipe. So we'll be using something with related to the hand gestures and we'll be controlling something inside our machine. So I can't wait to get started. Let's get started with the code and deep diving. We just require the three libraries actually, which is importing CV2, computer vision, and we have MediaPipe, that is, we have NumPy also, and then we need MediaPipe. So we import MediaPipe as MP. Now we create a class. Okay, now that class is called the hand detector class. Okay, and we initialize some methods inside that class. So let's say we have the class as in the init constructor. I'll declare the all the methods. So let's say I have a class here, class hand detector. Then we define the init constructor. Okay, so now we have some parameters which are let me just copy and paste them here for you guys. So okay, now we have self dot mode is equals to mode, and I guess it's already having me like prompting me the code, so I'll just track. Okay, is it exactly what we want here? Yeah. Now what we do is now we define the find hands function. So what we are trying to achieve here is we are trying to check the position of both the hands. Okay, and we are trying to crop an image. Okay, so now let's define the find hands function. And now inside the find hand function, what the find hands function will do is like it will check the tips of the thumb. Okay, so it will check the tip of the thumb and it will help us crop the image. Okay, so so the next part of the code is basically that in the find hands function we have the image to like RGB image. We have whatever image we get, we convert it to BGR to RGB. Okay, and we have self dot results is equals to self dot hand, and then whatever the image we had got, like we converted into RGB, right? So the next part is now like if the results have multi-hand landmarks, if the landmarks are there, then what we do is we draw the connections on the hand, right? So we draw some connections on the hand and we return that image only for the hands. So we write here if there are self dot results with the multi hand marks. So what we do is we draw the results and then we return the image. Now we find the exact position where the hands are resting, where the hands are there. Now to crop the image, what we need to finally do is like, let's say we select the image, and once the image is basically selected that okay, this part is there, I need to tell the machine or I need to tell the code that okay, that's done, that much I want to crop. So first I select and then I give a thumbs up so that it will recognize okay, that much is the part which is needed to be cropped, right? So I write now find the position. Okay, so find the position of the hands, and let's say we have a LM list. We create a list, and there in the list we'll be showing the LM is landmarks, so we'll be storing the landmarks, and we'll be showing the fingers with the tips. Okay, all the fingers and the tips. Now we return the LM list, whatever the list we had created. So the landmarks will be stored here. Now we pass our image. So now let's just write the code, which is the image underscore path is equals to we pass our image, which is image dot double quotes, which is image dot png. Okay, now we have the static image. We have the static image. That image will be read, right? So we need to read that image, something which is very basic. So let's say we have static underscore image is equals to, we have cv2 dot imread. Okay, so what will this do is it will read the image, and whatever images we have passed it in the image path. Now the static image needs to be like basically resized for better handling. That is why we have the static and the static image. We again declare that is a static image is equals to resize, and we can resize it into something like this. Okay, and then the original image. So basically we want to show both the images, and in that image itself we are cropping with our fingers and then showing a thumbs up. Okay, so that's the whole logic. And then we have original image or origin image is equals to static image dot copy. Okay, so these both will be copied and then we will crop them. Okay, now let's say for recognizing our fingers we need the video capture, and we need to tell the machine or the camera webcam that okay, we need to do this, right? We need to capture the fingers. So we have cv2 dot video capture, and then the detector, which we had already detector we stored with the hand detector. Okay, so and we have the cropped fixed image. So cropped fixed right now is false, so we have cropped fixed is equals to false. Okay, so is equals to false. Now while it is true, now we enter the while loop, like if the webcam is available and everything. So what we do is we have like success and comma, we have the webcam image. So webcam underscore image is equals to cap dot read. So we need to read that. Now if not success, then we need to break it. So if not success, we just break the loop. Okay, and now if this is there, if this is happening, so what we do is we get all the landmarks. Okay, so we get all the landmarks from the image, and the images are processed, and also the fingers. Okay, so we are stored in the lm list. So we have created an lm list 1 for detector position, and this is hand number 1. So first hand and the second, both the hands. Okay, and we have cropped fixed. So there are two. Okay, cropped fixed is equal to this. Now we moving forward in the code, what we have is like if we have the x underscore max is greater than x underscore min, and the y underscore max is greater than y underscore min. So what we do is a cropped image. What we are doing is cropped image is equals to the original image, not the static one. So here it will be the original image. So orig image, and we have y min colon y max to y max and x min to x max. Now we are not yet fixing the cropped equals true, and then after this what we do is, now if we have the lm list, so we are detecting the hand gestures for, like, let's say both the thumbs above the index fingers. Now detect the thumbs up. For detecting the thumbs up, we have that once the thumbs up are detected, if lm list 1, and now these are the values. So we need the cropped image of this thing. So here we have the cropped image img. So once that is there, we save that as a cropped image, and then we fix the cropped fixed is equals to true, right? Now we have to show the cropped image as well. So that cropped image will be staying on permanently in the on the screen. That will be fixed. It will stay there itself. It will be fixed. Okay. And then the last part is that we show all this live on the webcam. So let's say we record this, and okay, so now we have the so this comes outside the if statement, if there, and break. Now we release the camera, that is cap dot release and destroy all the windows. So destroy all windows. Now I feel so that I am actually recording on the camera which is currently going on. So I feel that it won't work here when I run the code. Let's just give it a try, or else then I'll just record, I'll do a screen recording and then I'll just put that in the code. I'll just put that in the video. Let's try. So if I run this, let's just save it and give it a try. Yeah, it's already up and running. Yeah, it's showing, but it failed because we have the camera or the webcam image. I guess image is not defined, it needs the webcam image. So let's just run it again. Yeah, so basically it's asking me that I have this on. Basically the webcam is on while I'm recording, so I'll have to just screen record it without the camera, and then I'll be able to do it. So I'll just record. So yeah, that's the window after running, and now let's just show them the hand gestures, and let's fix the image which we need to crop. So let's select a particular window here. See, I'm selecting a particular window here, and once I fix that, let's just enlarge it, and once I fix it, let me show the thumbs. So if I show the thumb, that is the window is selected and the cropped image is selected. So now that's the cropped image, and the cropped image is now saved in the folder, if you can see, and it'll take a while to load. It's just saving the image. So yeah, that's the cropped image which we have. So, and thank you so much guys, and please subscribe my channel. Happy learning.